The floor will smell wonderful and help protect your home from insects. You just need to make a natural floor cleaner. It's quick to prepare and completely chemical-free. Thanks to its ingredients, your floor will not only shine, but also be disinfected. Prepare a bucket with a mop. Grab a handful of lavender. Use fresh lavender heads if you have some in your garden or home, or use dried lavender. Lavender adds a pleasant scent that repels insects like flies, ants, gnats, and mosquitoes. Pour 2 cups of warm water into a container. Then add half a cup of vinegar, a natural cleaner and disinfectant that kills mold spores and polishes wooden surfaces. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to help remove tougher dirt. Toss the lavender into the mixture. Stir everything well, then strain it through a fine sieve to remove flour bits. Pour the ready cleaner into the bucket with water. Dip your mop in and start cleaning while enjoying the fresh scent of lavender. This cleaner is eco-friendly and safe for the environment. If you use this recipe regularly, your home will stay fresh and insect-free. This is the best and easiest way to clean your windows. I guarantee you'll always clean them this way from now on. Your windows will shine like never before, and you won't need to climb a ladder anymore. Let me show you the best way to clean exterior windows. Grab a bucket and a mop, the same one you use for your floors. We'll prepare the cleaning solution in the bucket. Pour about 1 liter of warm water into it. Make sure it's not boiling or too hot. Next, add 2 cups of vinegar. Vinegar has disinfecting and cleaning properties, removes bacteria, and leaves no streaks. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix everything well. Soak the mop in the solution, just like you do when cleaning floors. Squeeze out the excess water and start washing the windows. They will be perfectly clean. If there's any excess water left, take a microfiber cloth and secure it to the mop handle with rubber bands. Use it to wipe away any remaining moisture. You'll see your windows shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also incredibly effective. Pour this magical mixture into a bucket, and your floors will shine flawlessly. With this trick, they'll be so clean you could eat right off them. Start by preparing a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to help remove dirt effectively. Then, mix in 1 tablespoon of baking soda to break down grease and refresh the floor. Pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap to dissolve stains and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, which acts as a natural disinfectant. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of alcohol to help the floor dry faster and leave it perfectly clean. Boil 1 liter of water and pour it into the bowl, stirring well until all ingredients are fully dissolved. Then, add 1 liter of cold water to bring the solution to the perfect cleaning temperature. Transfer the mixture into a convenient container for easy application. This homemade solution not only cleans effectively, but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent throughout your home. After mopping, your floors will have a spectacular shine and look brand new. It's a brilliant alternative to expensive cleaning products, delivering excellent results with minimal effort. Simply rub 1 product into the window seal, and your energy bills will be significantly lower. In autumn and winter, heating costs can put a strain on your household budget. One simple way to reduce them is proper window maintenance. Even new windows can lose their insulating properties if the seals are neglected. Before the first frost arrives, it's a good idea to take a moment to care for them. Check if your windows have an adjustment option. Properly adjusting the pressure of the sash against the frame allows you to adapt them to changing temperatures, significantly improving insulation. The adjustment mechanism is usually located on the window frame and allows for easy modification of the sealing pressure. Before applying any treatment, thoroughly clean the seals from dust and dirt. Then wipe them dry with a clean cloth. Only then should you apply technical petroleum jelly. Simply apply a small amount to a dry cloth and rub it evenly into the seals. This will help them remain flexible and better retain heat inside your home. A deep cleaning and disinfecting floor wash for the area around the toilet. Into the bucket, pour a bowl of baking soda. It's a slightly abrasive substance, which effectively cleans surfaces of dirt. It has an alkaline reaction, neutralizing acids and absorbing unpleasant odors. Next, Add a tablespoon of Domestos. It's a substance that eliminates 99% of germs. It eradicates bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Another ingredient is dish soap. Pour a tablespoon into the bucket. It's excellent for removing greasy stains from the floor. Additionally, it has shining properties and leaves no streaks. Add another dish soap. Then, add half a measure of floor cleaner. It has a lovely scent and makes the floor shine like a mirror. The secret ingredient is fabric softener. Add 1/3 of a measure. Just a bit of this substance is enough. It has anti-static properties. Thanks to it, dust doesn't settle as strongly. Pour everything with a glass of vinegar. If you want a floral scent to linger in the bathroom for many days, you can add a few laundry scent boosters. Pour 2 liters of boiling water into the bucket, then add some cold water. Warm water cleans much more effectively. Additionally, it activates the cleaning substances. With this prepared mixture, wash the floor around and under the toilet. It's the dirtiest place in the entire bathroom. I do such thorough tile cleaning once every 3 months. The unpleasant smell of urine and moisture disappears. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and shower heads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher Rinse Aid. Applying this product to faucets and shower heads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and shower head will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom. This is how you remove all dirt from your shower cabin. This powder works like magic dust to clean limescale and buildup. Don't use chemical cleaners when homemade methods work best. First, spread regular baking soda over the glass doors. Then take a lemon cut in half, add some extra baking soda onto the lemon. Rub the glass with the lemon where there is dirt and buildup. Lemon dissolves limescale. Baking soda removes dirt and acts as a gentle abrasive. It will gently break down and remove the buildup. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Then wipe the glass with a cloth soaked in warm water. Remove part of the mixture with the cloth. To leave the glass sparkling clean, use a simple dustpan. Thanks to its rubber edge, it works like a squeegee. Just wipe away the excess, and your glass cabin will be cleaner than ever before.